Hello, in this video, we will show you how to import a new graphic object from an external library, and we will also show you how to create a new symbol from the adaptations of existing ones. The new symbol will be of type gauge, and will use as base a graphic type pizza, imported from an external library. This new symbol will have the following features. Full scale, that is 100%, equal to measure 1 plus measure 2. Percentage shown will be equal to measure 1 divided by the sum of measure 1 and measure 2. Thus, if measure 1 is less than measure 2, the percentage shown will be the smallest part of the full scale and, if not, the largest one. Initially, you create the two variables and edit objects, tag measure 1 and tag measure 2. And it is imported into the project. This is a pie chart, where each section is a slice of pizza. Next, in Draw, in the selected screen, the following actions are taken. In the vertical toolbar, in Inserts Components, the pie chart graph is selected, among several others. The sum of the slices is always 100%. If we have two sections, we will have two parts of the whole, 100%, represented by the sum of these two parts. Each section is associated with one color, the graphic being equal to a pizza, where each slice will have a color, and will represent a portion of the whole. From this pie chart, let's create a new gauge symbol. A pie chart, with two sections, with a diameter of 160 e, height and width equal to 160, is created. Section 1 is associated with the color blue, a reference variable tag 1. Section 2, gray color, and a reference variable tag 2. Next, a circle of diameter 128, gray color, is placed, concentrically, inside the pie chart. Finally, a text block is created, whose text will be a percentage, associated with variables 1 and 2, of the pie chart. This block of text is placed in the middle of our two concentric circles. The percentage shown will be equal to measure 1 divided by the sum of measure 1 with measure 2. The three objects are selected and, with the right mouse button, the menu window is opened, and the option Make a New Symbol is selected. The new symbol is designated Angular Gauge, and is added to the Gauges folder. To demonstrate the operation of the new symbol, initially, a second angular gauge symbol is inserted on the screen, already copied from the symbol library, and, in sequence, two new text blocks are created, which will be associated with measure 1 and measure 2, respectively. The angular gauge symbol has two parameters that are measure 1 tag and measure 2 tag. Invert the measurements in the two symbols, so that in each circle, the complementary values are shown for 100%. Activate the project from the Studio module, and enter with the user's code and password. To test the operation, we will use the watch window, which for testing, allows you to simulate values of the variables. In this window, you insert the two variables, tag measure 1 and tag measure 2. Next, the values of these variables are changed, observing the correct functioning of the newly created angular gauge symbol.